This video introduces the context memory system for Claude Code via WeilChain. We will demonstrate how to persist chat history on-chain by hooking into session start and session end events. The problem is that Claude Code loses all context when a session ends. This results in no session memory, requiring developers to repeat context and losing continuity on multi-day projects. Our goal is to automatically persist and reload context across sessions in a tamper-proof manner. Our solution hooks into Claude Code's lifecycle events. At session start, prior context is loaded from the chain. During the session, WeilChain stores the data transaction. At session end, the full chat history is stored on-chain. This uses signed, tamper-proof transactions and allows for automatic context reload. The session start hook is triggered at launch. It queries WeilChain for prior session data, injects this context into Claude's memory, and allows Claude to resume with full awareness of previous work. Here we see Claude Code in action. After loading context, a user asks a question. Claude searches and thinks, utilizing full code base awareness. A complete, informed answer is then delivered. The session end hook captures several key pieces of information to store. This includes the full conversation, thinking metadata, file snapshots, a unique session ID for retrieval, and a timestamp. The session ID is stored as the WeilChain key for deterministic retrieval. Every session creates a finalized "store_data" transaction on the WeilChain. The transaction includes the action, finalized status, block number, session ID, the JSON chat blob data, and is signed by a SECP256K1 wallet. The data is immutably verified and stored on-chain. The exact user message is visible within the WeilChain Block Explorer, permanently recorded as raw transaction data. The middleware architecture is a two-layer system. Layer 1 is HTTP middleware, which authenticates every request by checking headers, verifying the signature, and rejecting stale timestamps. Layer 2, the @secured decorator, performs a per-tool access control check on-chain, determining permissions based on wallet capabilities. In summary, the session start hook loads context at launch. The session end hook serializes and stores the conversation. WeilChain storage holds the signed, verifiable transactions. Finally, the Weil_middleware provides two-layer authentication and per-tool permission control.